To all business owners, CFOs, COOs, facilities and operations managers, what if I told you that you could save 50% or more on your energy bills? Look up, the answer is on your roof. Hi, my name is Luke and I'm co-founder of GetSolar. I spent the past few years building solar for homes and commercial and industrial businesses in Singapore and Malaysia. Now, your roof isn't just a roof. It could be a productive asset, but most businesses aren't treating it like one. The folks that recognize this will get solar. This will allow them to save on their energy bills and earn from selling excess energy back to the grid. The first objection I tend to hear from business owners is cost. They say, we don't have the budget for solar installation. I understand the concern completely. However, the good news is, we have the solution. In 2022, we were the first clean energy company to launch a rent-to-own solar plan. Zero upfront capital required, zero hassle, and we guarantee savings from day one. To date, we have over 1,000 satisfied customers in Singapore and Malaysia. The second thing I tend to hear from business owners is timing. Some want to wait for cheaper options, while others aren't very sure and are taking their time to make a decision. But here's the reality. Every month your roof sits empty is money that your business will not regain. So act now. Every month without solar is an opportunity cost for your business. During the rent-to-own term, we help to monitor and maintain your solar panel system. And on top of that, we offer a performance guarantee. That means if your system underperforms, that is our responsibility and we will compensate you for the missed performance. This gives you peace of mind when you choose GetSolar. Start making your roof work for you. Check out how much you can save with our solar savings calculator, link in the description below. Or you can WhatsApp us and we'll take a look at your roof for free. Let's help your business save and earn with GetSolar.